Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb. I'm sitting inside of a GMC Sierra AT4. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use your Google built-in. So let's hop right in. With the Google built-in, just like your Siri, it's going to have different commands. But the first way you want to start off with is OK Google. And at that point, it's going to pop up on the screen. Now I'm going to say, OK Google, change the driver air temperature to 85 degrees. It might have been too much for it.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
It's too much for it. Okay, Google. Change my air temperature to 85 degrees.
For that, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. When it's safe, check the notifications for steps to sign in.
Okay, Google. Change my climate control to 85 degrees.
Got it.
And bam, it does it. It's got different settings. It's automatically setting it back to auto. But other ways to activate your Google built-in is by clicking here. And then Google turns on. Now we can hang her up just like that. And then you have the button up here on your screen as well. Okay, Google, take me to Chick-fil-A.
Here's what I found along your route.
Then it's going to pull up the map, show me the nearest Chick-fil-A to me. And then, of course, it's up to you to pick it. But you got a couple limitations with that. You can even change the passenger climate control. You're not able to change your heated seats so far that I've been able to play with. But you can say, take me home. Check this, check that. There's a bunch of stuff, actually. I'm going to show you because I was trying to figure it out as well. In your owner's manual, you can turn the AC on, set the temperature. It even says how much gas do I have left. Take me home, different destinations. You can even have her call. And then you can, as well as have it play SiriusXM. So, okay, Google, play SiriusXM channel 56. And then it'll just start playing it.
SiriusXM, music, sports, and news. Sorry, something went wrong. When it's safe, please try opening the app to continue.
But like, say I go here, okay, Google, play music.
Okay, I can play that on YouTube Music, Spotify, or iHeartRadio.
So a couple different options within there. And then the more you specify it, I'm just being very vague. The more you specify things, the better it'll be. But there are some limitations to it. It is pretty cool, especially when you don't want to take your hands off the steering wheel to look for things or try to find your climate controls. Whether you're driving at night, driving in a new area, or just don't feel comfortable taking your hands off the steering wheel, it's perfect to use. Now, me personally, I use Siri on a day-to-day basis, so I'm not the most fluent with the Google built-in. But if you have Google already, it's going to work very similar, if not the exact same. I do want to say thank y'all again for watching. Hope you enjoy. I'll see y'all soon.